Hello. My name is Obi Mike. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send and receive tokens as cryptocurrency on the Binance exchange platform. So the first thing that you need to do is to log into your Binance app. I have already done that. And go to wallet, click on wallet. If you want to receive tokens or any kind of cryptocurrency to your Binance wallet, you have to click on this wallet, then click on deposit. After you have clicked on deposit, you will need to ensure that it is on crypto, not on fiat. So if you look at the top, you're going to see crypto and you're going to see fiat. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for the token you want to receive. You're going to look for it. For example, I would like to choose USDT. You might want to receive Ethereum. You might want to receive BNB. BNB is the token of the Binance platform. You might want to receive Bitcoin. Bitcoin is BTC. There are so many tokens you might want to receive. Might be Alice, Alpha, Alpines. There are hundreds of cryptocurrencies that you can receive into your Binance app, but you would want to make sure that you know what you're doing. So I'll be choosing USDT for the purpose of this video. After you have clicked on USDT, the next thing you would want to do is to choose the network. The network is very important. You need to choose a network. There are numerous networks. We have the ERC20, we have Binance and BNB Smart Chain, BIP20, we have AVAX Chain, we have BNB Beacon Chain, BIP2, we have Polygon, we have Solana, we have Tron. I love to use Tron. The reason I love to use Tron is because the charge is very minimal. It will be cheaper for the person who is sending to you, because the person will only have to pay 1 USDT. Even if he or she is sending 1 million USDT, he will only have to pay a fee of just 1 USDT. So I love that. So after you have clicked on the token that you want to send, in this case I clicked on that you want to receive. In this case I clicked on USDT. This page is going to pop up and you are going to have to click on this. Okay, let's get the 2. You're going to click on this. When you have clicked on that, okay, you can see expected arrival, one network, expected unlock one, okay, all of that. So you have to click on where I have circled. When you have clicked on that, it will tell you that the wallet address has been copied. So you now go to whoever you want to receive the token from and you paste it for the person. Once you click and hold where you want to send it, it is going to show paste. You just click on paste and everything here, all of this is going to show on the message you're sending to the person. It is as simple as that. What you will need to do is to ensure you inform the person that you are sending a wallet address on the Tron network, that is TRC20. Do not forget. The reason is that if you do not tell the person and the person mistakenly chooses either ERC20 or Solana network, your money might have a problem arriving. So after you have done this, you just sit back and wait for the person to send the crypto to you, and in a matter of 10 to 15 minutes you would have received your coin or your token in your wallet. That's how to receive cryptocurrency into the Binance app, into your Binance exchange wallet. If you have found this video useful, I would like you to click on the like button. I'd like you to subscribe to my channel. I'd also like you to tap on that notification button so that I'll be encouraged to do more videos, more valuable content like this in the future. Thank you so much. Bye.